Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Markazul Uluum Walhikmah remote study. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. It's my pleasure to introduce to you our newly published ebook titled Arabic Language for Beginners, Book 2. Arabic Language for Beginners, Book 2. As the name implies, everything that you need to study Arabic from the elementary level have been provided in this book. This book is unlike any other textbook, any other Arabic textbook that you may choose to buy from a bookstore, then come back home and struggle to study the book by yourself. So in the case of our ebooks, you buy it, then you buy it, then you choose when to receive the lesson at your own convenient time, directly from the mouth of the teacher or from the mouth of the author. That makes a great difference. So it doesn't even require any kind of a deep technical skill before you can make use of our products. So with your Android phone, so you can achieve this. I repeat, with your Android phone, you can achieve this. So you don't even need to have a laptop. You don't even need to have a tab. So with your small Android phone, you can buy our ebooks and start accessing them at your own convenient time. So how do we do that? So after downloading the e-copy of the book from our portal, then you come back to locate the soft copy of the book from your download folder. So how do you locate your download folder? So you locate your download folder through a file explorer. A file explorer. I believe you can see it. File explorer. So now I am going to click on my file explorer. So now we are here. You have two options here: category and local storage. So you are going to click on your local storage. In my own case, so I am going to click on my local storage from the right hand side. My local storage. I believe you can see it. So you click on the local storage. So then you click on the internal storage. So you click on that internal storage on the screen. I believe you can see it. So click on it. Then you can now locate your download folder. You can now locate your download folder. I believe you can see it, that download folder. So you click on it. So here is the soft copy of the book, Arabic Language for Beginners, downloaded from our portal. So I will now click on the book. So remember to open it with Drive. In case you don't have Drive on your phone, download one from the Play Store. So you open the book using your Drive. So I'm going to click on just once. So I will click on just once. It is coming up. It is coming up. It is coming up. Let me scroll down. Let me scroll down. So let me scroll down. So here is the book. Arabic Language for Beginners, Book 2. For me to have access to the video clips and the PDF file, then I'm going to scroll up. So I will have to scroll up in order to have access to the video clips and PDF file. You take the lesson from the video. You take the lesson from the video directly from the mouth of the teacher. Then use the PDF file to revise the lesson taken from the video. So when you get to where it is written, click here to download with Drive. Then you click on it. You click on it. Click on just once. Just once. Okay? I have many email here. Let me just choose one. Let me choose my personal email. Okay, click. You click on OK. It is coming up. It is coming up. It is coming up. It is coming up. So now we are here. So I will now click on the folder that contain all the lessons. And the lessons is meant to be studied for the period of 4 to 5 weeks. The lessons are meant to be studied for the period of 4 to 5 weeks. So I'll click on it. There are 23 lessons here. There are 23 lessons in this folder. 23 lessons. So these are the lessons. So each of the folder here, it contains both the video clip and PDF file. So each of the folder that you see on the screen, so contains both the video clips and PDF file. So you take the lesson directly from the mouth of the teacher using the video clips, then revise the lesson taken from the video using the PDF file. So at the end of everything, then you will still have access to the textbook. You will still have access to the textbook. So you may choose to download the video or to just watch the video on our portal. So now I'm going to click on lesson 1. Lesson 1. Okay? Here is lesson 1. I believe you can see it. So I'm going to click on lesson 1. That is part 1. So now I'm having two options. A video option and PDF option. So you will take the lesson from the video, then use the PDF to revise it. So I'm not going to play the video now. Let me just click on the PDF file. So it is coming up. It is coming up. So this lesson 1. This lesson 1. So you use the PDF to revise the lesson taken from the video that you watched. Remember that I told you that you have two options, either to make use of it here or you download it. So in case you want to download the video, just click on that 3 dotted line. For you to download the video, you click on that 3 dotted line. Let me click. I believe you can see it. That 3 dotted vertical line, you click on it. So let me click. Then you will have this kind of interface. So now you are given the option asking you to download. Can you see download? So once you click on download, so the video will be downloaded on your phone. So you can now choose to be watching it on your phone without internet. So now I'm going to back it. So you do the same thing to the PDF. To download the PDF, you do the same thing. Just like that, till the last lesson of the ebook. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So I'm going to back it now. I'm going to back it. So after you must have finished learning all the lessons, so you still have access to the textbook containing all the lessons taken from the video. So the textbook folder is here. Let me click on the textbook folder. I believe you can see that textbook folder. Let me click on it. So here's the textbook. So I'm going to open the textbook now. Let me click on the textbook. So you may also choose to download the textbook by clicking on that 3 dotted line, that 3 dotted vertical line. Just click on it. So you are going to have this kind of interface. So, and you can see the download option. They just click on download and download the textbook on your phone. Then and start using it from your phone directly without internet. So I'm going to back it now. So let me open the textbook. It is coming up. It is coming up. Arabic language for beginners, book 2. Arabic language for beginners, book 2. So it is coming up. Arabic language for beginners, book 2. It is coming up. It is coming up. It is coming up. Arabic language for beginners, book 2. So this is the textbook. Let me scroll up. So this is the textbook. I believe you can see it. This is the textbook. So this is the textbook. So now we have lesson 1. So this is lesson 1. So this is lesson 1. حوار بين المعلم والتلاميذ. So this is lesson 1. Lesson 1. So this is lesson 1. Lesson 1. So then we have lesson 2. Lesson 2. So this is lesson 2. Each of the lessons that you have here has its own video clip. So each of the lessons that you see here has their own video clips. So you watch the video and use the PDF file from the same folder to revise the lesson. So this lesson 2, lesson 2. So this lesson 2. Then we have lesson 3. Oh, this lesson 4, sorry. Lesson 4. Lesson 4. Lesson 4. Lesson 4. And this lesson 5. Lesson 5. Lesson 5. Lesson 5. Then we have lesson 6. Lesson 6. Lesson 6. Then we have lesson 7. Lesson 7. Lesson 7. Lesson 7. Then we have lesson 8. Lesson 8. Lesson 8. Lesson 8. Then we have lesson 9. Lesson 9. Lesson 9. Then we have lesson 10. So this is lesson 10. So remember, all the lessons in this ebook are 23. As I told you earlier, there are 23 lessons, and each of them has video clips. So you take the lesson directly from the mouth of the teacher, then you use the PDF file. You use the PDF file to revise the lesson taken from the video. So how much will you have to pay to access all of this? Just 2,000 naira. Just 2,000 naira, not up to $2. Just 2,000 naira, which is not up to $2. So how do you access this? Just click on the link below. Click on the link below. So go to the comment section. The first comment there, open it. Then you click on the link in the comment section to download your own copy of the book. So you can study from wherever you are in the world. So you can study this from wherever you are in the world at your own convenient time. So you may choose to take 1 lesson a day or 2 lessons. So you do everything according to your own personal choice. So you have no reason not to study Arabic language, because everything that you need has been made easy for you. All you need is just to decide. Download your own copy now. So may Allah bless you. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.